Hello there, Miguel Martinez Suarez here, and today is going to be about how to manifest with a calm mind. Okay, and I'm going to be using two books to help with this dialogue, this conversation. Okay, now I'm going to quote Thomas Troward in his book, The Edinburgh Lectures, chapter on causes and conditions. Okay. We must first form the ideal conception of our object with the definite intention of impressing it upon the universal mind. It is this intention which takes such thought out of the region of mere casual fancies, and then affirm that our knowledge of the law is sufficient reason for a calm expectation of a corresponding result, and that therefore all necessary conditions will come to us in due order. Okay, so we got to do this calmly, and the reason is because if we're calmness is a feeling. Okay, people will tell you, how do you feel? Calm, relaxed. I'm calm. And if you do things the opposite of calm, stressed out, worried, you can't get what you want, because what we want is typically things that make us feel good, okay? And we move in that direction. However, if you're feeling negative, you're moving in that direction. Can't get good results with negative feelings and a negative mind. It's just not. It goes against the law, okay? The law of creation. It goes against logic too. It's like planting poison. How are you gonna get an apple tree? All right. How can you plant lack and manifest abundance? It just doesn't happen. Okay, that's why affirmations and visualization over and over are gonna get you that. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you a quote from this book, The Tao of Pooh by Benjamin Hoff, okay? Because it really shows us how being stressed out, how doing things calmly will lead you in the right direction, okay? Let's start with the positive first, okay? So, here's the positive, okay? When things happen for you calmly, sometimes not always calmly, but when things happen for you, this is how you reflect on them, okay? Quote, if you are in tune with the way things work, then they work the way they need to, no matter what you may think about it at the time. Later on, you can look back and say, oh, now I understand. That had to happen so that those could happen. And those had to happen in order for this to happen. Okay? And you do that with your intuition, okay? So don't get paralyzed and stressed out when you want to make a choice. Okay? He says this, quote, you go by circumstances and listen to your own intuition. Such as, this isn't the best time to do this. I'd better go that way, right? So if you're at a crossroad and you feel like you shouldn't go one way, you should go the other way. It's telling you to go this way, go that way, okay? In time, when you get your goal, you're gonna reflect and say, oh yeah, that had to happen, and I had to meet these people, and I remember those times. Now I'm here, okay? And I went out, and now you go on to bigger and better things, okay? Now, and here's what happens when, this is an example of what happens when you don't, okay? When you don't go in a calm way. When you try too hard, it doesn't work. Try grabbing something quickly and precisely with a tensed up arm. Then relax and try it again. Okay? Imagine grabbing a knife quickly, intensely. That's very dangerous. Now imagine yourself doing it calmly. Okay? Calmly is the better route. It's a safer route, and yeah, you may not be comfortable because it's a new thing that you're trying, but at least you know you're in a calm state of mind. Okay? I like a quote that Bob Proctor says. Okay, don't hurry. Okay, hurry is dangerous. Okay, hurry. You do not want to hurry. But he says you don't need to slow down. You need to calm down. Okay. Oh yeah, he says hurry is fear. Okay, hurry is fear. You're hurrying up because you're scared. Okay, do things quickly. Okay, as efficiently as you can. Okay. But not in a hurry, because hurry is fear. Okay? And that's the way you should do things, okay? Calmly, use your intuition, and before you know it, you're going to receive what you've been visualizing, okay? That ideal in the physical, okay? In the physical. All right. This was quick, okay? I'm gonna be honest. I did a video before this, but it was 20 minutes, and I said no, it's too long. And again, practicing what I preach, I felt intuitively to do another one. Okay, so I hope you like this one. If you want more resources, check the description below. I wrote a few books that will help you with this understanding. Okay, on the laws of the universe, on manifesting, the law of attraction. Okay. And I also put a link there for 6 Minutes to Success. Is one of the first programs I went on with Bob Proctor, who I highly recommend. Okay. All right. And this is it. And thank you so much for being here. And follow the channel to get more videos on this. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye bye. Peace.